Hello, it's Jules and Lorraine back again.
Hi there.
We've been out of commission because our phone went. So it's not fun when that happens. You gotta get a replacement. So we've been waiting for that, and then all of a sudden we're in London Drugs, and we decide, you know what? Look at the cost of these printers versus buying cartridges. And we were having trouble with our big HP. Said that's it. We looked at the cost of that. We ended up getting Canon, a little lightweight, probably a quarter of the weight of the HP. So, and everything works. So we're happy that things are back to normal there. But we wanted to show you a couple of Diamond Art Club's um, kits that we got. They're kind of cute because they're almost accompany each other. So Lorraine's going to work and tell you a little bit about hers,
It's
Jojo,
called JoJo. Yeah.
and I'll talk to you about Mojo. And we're going to open them up and take a look at them, same as you're going to do it. So, yeah, we'll just lower. We're just going to lower the camera, and then so you can see.
Okay, so this is by the Diamond Art Club, and this canvas is called JoJo, and it's by the artist Richard Lorenz. And I'll give you a bit of the details on this one. And it has 50 colors, and it includes 2 Aurora Borealis and 3 fairy dust diamonds. And the total diamond count is 14,400. As far as the size of the canvas, it's 13 inches by 13 inches or 33 centimeters by 33 centimeters. So the way it was explained about the description of the JoJo canvas is that it says, sip in the magic of morning brew. JoJo, the whimsical bird, knows just what to do. Let colors soar and spirits rise under the gaze of his vibrant, wise eyes. So I thought, oh, that's so whimsical. So I'll open this up so you'll have a chance to see what the canvas looks like, along with the drills. So of course your standard toolkit, and I won't go through that. I think you've heard it enough. And of course, here's the card that we have, the JoJo card. And I don't know if you can see it that well, but again, it's a bronze. Okay, and of course we got this through Amazon. Now hopefully we can get this to relax a bit. You have to hold it down on the sides here a bit. Let's try and roll it this way first. Trying to get that bend out of there. There, that's much better. Okay. So as you can see, the colors are so nice. Like we have some pastels here. And of course our little JoJo bird with a drink of coffee. And it actually, I have a sister-in-law by the name of JoJo and absolutely adore her. So So we'll go over the drills, but I'll just mention again that there's 45 colors. That includes 2 ABs plus 3 fairy dusts. So we'll just go through these. So as you can see here, we're going along beautiful olive green. Then you have your darker forest green color, really nice blue. Looks like a green, olive green as well. Then we have a brown and a coral color. So it looks like there's quite a bit of greens in here. Go down here, got a huge gold, some light lavender, like a dark brown. Oh, no, that's black. Nice tangerine. So here's one of the fairy dusts. So it's the white. Okay, go along. I love that red, yellow, right here we have another fairy dust, beautiful green. And this one is an AB. As you can see on that blue, there's quite a sheen to it. Very pretty. Another blue. Yellows. Quite a bit of yellow as well. And I love that pink. That's pretty. Tangerine. Along here, the yellow, orange, blue. Here we have another AB. Look at that nice green AB. Like the beautiful sparkly color. So that's the colors.
Okay, so now it's my turn. I'm going to show you Mojo. So Lorraine has Jojo. We didn't talk about the artist here. He's kind of a whimsical artist. So his name's Richard Lorenz, and he's a professional artist for over 30 years. He's self-taught in a style he calls whimsical bee realism. As creator of the popular series Be the Bird, his timeless message is meant for young people of all ages. Each of you birds are unique. There is not another bird quite like you. You are here on purpose for a purpose. German born, Richard spent much of his professional life in Louisiana and now resides in the hills of northwest Arkansas with his wife Tina, enjoying their 6 grandchildren. We have 2, so I can imagine. Wow, 6, that's great. Okay, so we're going to open this up. Okay. Later, we'll show you the 2 canvases side by side. We'll get you a better view of the 2 canvases. You can sort of see how they accompany each other, and the coloration's a little bit different on each of them. Okay, so here's our card. Love these little cards. Little bronze as well. Okay, so there's the bronze card. And we'll take the canvas out. Make sure we have all our stuff, like our sticker stuff and everything. Eh? Yep, there's all the stickers when we start doing it. So we got that all ready. Okay. Now we're going to take out the canvas and take a look at it and the drills as well. See if the drills are like. Okay. Okay. By the way, so this artist here, like I said, it's Richard Lorenz. A little bit of information on Mojo. Mojo's got less colors actually than JoJo. It's got 33 colors with two ABs and three fairy dusts. Same size, 13 inch by 13 or 33 by 33, and it's got 14,400 diamonds. Of course, it's the same size as that one, but it's got less colors. So what I'm going to do is we'll unroll it and roll it the other side. Starts to loosen up a little bit and flatten out, which it'll do naturally. There. Okay, so there he is. And what we'll do is we'll show you later how they look side by side. What we hope to do is each of us will work on the canvases and then we will frame them up and got a place to put them around the coffee or a little coffee bar place. So that's what we're going to end up doing here. So I'll also show you the drills on this one. And if you just wait a minute and we'll get those set up. Okay, so we'll show you the array of colors we have here. So like I said, Mojo has less colors, as 33 plus two ABs and three fairy dust. So, and Jojo has more. So there's your colors. And you'll be able to see there's a fairy dust right there. It's like a lot like the other one, like Lorraine showed you. Okay. Yeah, this is gonna have a nice little. I like the eyes, the way the eyes look. Really cool. Okay, here's a Z307 fairy dust. Oh, you see the sparkle there. Okay, and orange brown sort of. Okay. Okay, so that's it for those. Now we'll just show you the two canvases side by side and we'll give you a view of what that looks like. Okay, so we wanted to show you how they look like together. You can see the cup of coffee right here. That's Jojo with the coffee. And what I love is just look at the eyes.
How
That's
colorful they'll
yeah,
be.
that's gonna really look nice.
And the beak too.
Yeah, it's gonna look really nice. And they're gonna be like a pair. So we'll frame them up together and but again, So you can see Jojo has more colors than Mojo, but still nice and brilliant. This Jojo is more green and this one's more blue. Look at them again and you say, that's going to be quite a fun little pair to do. So anyway, thank you for coming along with us in this opening, and we hope you enjoyed it. And
Thanks very much.
okay, take care and have a good day.